Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to World Geography with M.adnan. Today's tutorial is related to how can you get the Sentinel data uh, according to the worldwide. You can see this is the website from where you can get all kind of Sentinel data in the index form like sea surface temperature or sea water salinity and such all other things like NDVI and other parameters like plant phenology index and phenology and vegetation. So these are all available here in the website. So this website, I will share its link in the description of this tutorial. Uh, you can see it's very simple. You just simple come in the layers and you can search from here which you need. Here the climatic data and all other things such like this as we select. So related to it, a data set will be showing to here. You can see and you can use it as a use set and it will be added to that layer. So you can see which have a layer it will be showing, but which have not layer so it will not be showing. So a good thing is that you will also get from it a sea water salinity. So which one you want, you just cancel this area and come here. Basically for it you need to make your account. So for it I'm going to showing you how can you make. It's very simple. uh, you can here to register. I'm already have, so I will get the sign in, but for you to showing it's very simple. Just put your email address and create a password, country name and organization, for example, which have uh, purpose you use this data for research, education and other things, and you will check these things and simple apply from here and you will get easily registered on this coniferous website, which is a sentinel based data, and here you will get easily uh, which you want to get. Okay, so that's the thing. Simple sign in because I'm already have data. Simple sign in. So here it will be logging. Okay, so here you can see I'm logging in. I'm just showing you how can you get your data. You can select this one, set AOI, and then you can select any region which you want, and simple you will get it. After getting this, if you want to its sea surface temperature, so you will click on it to download option. So it will be showing you download options. Basically here network is very down, so that's why it's taken time. So you will fill these options like which one you want, like for so these are the required thing which mention here all things like which is needed to the satellite. Basically I download from here the NDVI of this whole region. You can see here in the, you can see for whole Africa continent, and it's NDVI, and that's will be in the uh, NC format, which open here in the uh, QGIS, then you will convert it into the TIFF with the help of export. So I hope so this tutorial will help you and getting the data here. You will get from here to check which kind of data is available here, and you can easily use it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope so this tutorial will help you. Uh, if you need any information about GS, so you will ask me in a comment section. Thank you so much.